Mastering the art of argument. Plead one's case. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's often used in both legal contexts and everyday conversations: plead one's case. Understanding this expression can greatly enhance your English communication skills, especially when presenting arguments or defending your point of view. Let's explore what it means to plead one's case, how to use it, and why it's so powerful in making your voice heard. Plead one's case refers to the act of arguing or stating your position on a matter in a detailed and persuasive manner, often with the aim of convincing others or justifying your stance. Originally rooted in legal terminology, where it literally means presenting arguments to a court, this phrase has transcended into everyday language to describe any situation where you need to defend your actions or convince others of your viewpoint. This expression is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios, from formal debates and business meetings to casual discussions with friends. Here are some tips on how to effectively plead your case in any setting. 1. Be clear and concise. Start with a clear statement of what you believe and why. 2. Use evidence. Support your arguments with facts, examples, or logical reasoning. 3. Show empathy. Understand the perspective of your audience or opponent to address their concerns. 4. Stay calm and respectful. Even when emotions run high, maintaining respect for others' opinions can make your case stronger. Let's look at some examples to see plead one's case in action. In a job interview, you might plead your case for why you are the best candidate, highlighting your skills, experiences, and how they align with the company's needs. In a debate, presenting strong arguments and evidence to support your position on an issue. In everyday disagreements, explaining your side of a story or your reasoning behind a decision to friends or family. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of plead one's case. It's a powerful tool for effective communication, allowing you to articulate your viewpoints persuasively and respectfully. Whether you're in a courtroom, a meeting, or just chatting with friends, knowing how to plead your case can make a big difference in how your messages are received. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations. See you in the next video.